The marvel of woodpeckers, nature's percussionists. In the vast tapestry of the avian world, the woodpecker stands out as a unique and fascinating creature. Known for its distinctive behavior and remarkable adaptations, the woodpecker captivates both bird enthusiasts and casual observers alike. These resilient birds are found in various habitats around the globe, showcasing their adaptability and evolutionary prowess. Physical marvels, woodpeckers are characterized by their stout bodies, sharp beaks, and zygodactyl feet, 2 toes facing forward and 2 backward, ideal for clinging to vertical surfaces. One of the most remarkable features of these birds is their chisel-like bill. Designed for drilling into wood. This specialized tool serves multiple purposes, from excavating nests to foraging for insects hiding beneath bark. Drumming virtuosos, one of the woodpecker's most iconic behaviors is its rhythmic drumming on trees. This percussive display is not just a form of self-expression, it serves various functions such as communicating with mates, establishing territory, or even attracting insects for a meal. The forceful strikes that create the distinctive sound are made possible by the woodpecker's unique skull structure, featuring a reinforced cranium and a cushion of fluid to protect the brain from the impact. Ecological niche, woodpeckers play a crucial role in maintaining the health of forest ecosystems. By feeding on wood-boring insects, they help control pest populations, contributing to the overall balance of their habitats. Additionally, their nesting cavities provide shelter for a variety of wildlife, creating a ripple effect in the intricate web of ecological relationships. Global diversity, with over 200 different species, woodpeckers are a diverse group. From the flamboyant northern flicker with its striking plumage to the subtle yet elegant downy woodpecker, each species brings its own charm to the avian symphony. They can be found in a range of environments, from dense forests to urban parks, showcasing their adaptability to various landscapes. Conservation concerns. Despite their remarkable adaptability, woodpeckers face challenges in the modern world. Habitat loss, climate change, and competition for nesting sites pose threats to these resilient birds. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure their continued presence in our ecosystems. In conclusion, woodpeckers are not merely birds, they are nature's percussionists, adding a unique beat to the symphony of the wild. Their fascinating adaptations, diverse species, and vital ecological roles make them a subject of admiration and a reminder of the intricate connections within the natural world.